Hi everyone! This is Grade 3 Math video lesson for Week 3, Day 3. Today we are still learning about addition of numbers. So this is still about addition to 100,000. Let's have a review about the meaning of addition. Remember that addition means taking two or more numbers and adding them together. It also means to find the sum or total of two numbers. Now before we continue with how to add numbers, let's have some practice of a few easy addition equations. I will be showing you random numbers and you may try to think of the answer. So for the first one, 3 plus 3, the answer is 6. Now for the next one, 4 plus 4 is 8. We have 0 plus 0. The answer is 0. For 9 plus 9, the answer is 18. How about 7 plus 8? This is equal to 15. Now for the next one, 7 plus 7 is 14. We have 2 plus 2 equals 4. The next one, 8 plus 9, the answer is 17. How about 5 plus 5? The answer is 10. Next one, 1 plus 2, the answer is 3. You have 3 plus 4 equals 7. Next one, 0 plus 1, the answer is 1. You have 5 plus 6, the answer is 11. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 2 plus 3, the answer is 5. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 6 plus 6, the answer is 12. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And 8 plus 8 equals 16. Now this time, let's have some practice of doubles plus 1 addition. You might remember that you have already practiced with this on our previous lesson. Now let's try to do it one more time. I know that this time it will be easier for you to get the answers. For the first one, we have 7 plus 8 equals 15. Next one, 10 plus 11 equals 21. 3 plus 4 equals 7. You have 5 plus 6. The answer is 11. 11 plus 12 equals 23. How about 2 plus 3? This is equal to 5. Next one, 9 plus 10 is 19. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 6 plus 7 is 13. You have 12 plus 13. The answer is 25. 4 plus 5 equals 9. And 8 plus 9 equals 17. And for the last round of our practice, try to answer these addition equations. 15 plus 3 equals 18. 11 plus 6, the answer is 17. You have 12 plus 4, the answer is 16. 13 plus 7 equals 20. You have 18 plus 3, the answer is 21. 12 plus 7 equals 19. 16 plus 7 equals 23. And for the last one, you have 19 plus 3, the answer is 22. Now let's go on with our lesson for column addition. This one means no regrouping. So for our example, you have 2,463 plus 5,126. Now to do column addition with no regrouping, the first thing we have to do, and you need to try to remember, is to always add the right-hand column of digits. You need to start adding from the place value of ones. So if you remember our lesson about place value of numbers, 3 and 6 belong to the place value of ones. This is where we start adding the numbers. So we start with the place value of ones, 3 plus 6, and then we go on with the next place value. So for 3 plus 6, the answer is 9. Now the next step will be to add the next column of digits moving left. This time, you are adding the tens place. So again, 3 plus 6 from ones place equals 9. And now we continue with the next column of digits moving left. You have 6 plus 2. The answer is 8. 6 and 2 belong to the place value of tens. The next thing we will do is to add the next column of digits moving left. So you just have to keep adding until the last digit. This time it's for hundreds and thousands place. So again, 3 plus 6 from the place value of ones, you have 9. And then you go on with the place value of tens. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now this time we will do hundreds place. So for hundreds place, you have 4 plus 1. The answer is 5. And for thousands place, you have to add 2 and 5. The answer is 7. After this, don't forget to write your comma. Remember that to write the comma, you have to count 3 digits. Or you have to count from the place value of ones, tens, hundreds, comma, and then the number for thousands place. So our final answer for this example is 7,589. Remember to write and add the numbers according to their place value. Again, always start from the place value of ones, move to the place value of tens, and then place value of hundreds, and then finally the place value of thousands. Now I hope that you do understand the explanation on how to do column addition with no regrouping. This time, try to answer this drill. Add the following numbers. For letter A, add 1,641 and 3,026. For letter B, add 4,837 and 2,012. For letter C, you have 6,523 plus 4,175. And for letter D, you have 7,194 plus 5,304. Think of the answers for these numbers. Again, like what we have discussed a while ago, start from the place value of ones, and then place value of tens, place value of hundreds, and then for the place value of thousands. Also, don't forget to write the comma on the correct place. And once you are finished, you can now see if you got the answers right. So let's see the answer for letter A. For letter A, starting from the place value of ones, you have 1 plus 6, the answer is 7. And then place value of tens, 4 plus 2 equals 6. We move to the place value of hundreds. We have 6 plus 0 equals 6. And then for the place value of thousands, 1 plus 3 equals 4. Again, don't forget your comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, and then the digit for thousands place. Final answer for letter A is 4,667. Let's see the answer for letter B. Starting from ones place, 7 plus 2 equals 9. Tens place, 3 plus 1 equals 4. For hundreds place, 8 plus 0 equals 8. And for thousands place, 4 plus 2 equals 6. Ones, tens, hundreds, and then the comma. Now how about the answer for letter C? For letter C, again, for ones place, 3 plus 5 equals 8. For tens place, 2 plus 7 equals 9. For hundreds place, 5 plus 1 equals 6. And finally for thousands place, 6 plus 4 equals 10. Also, we should not forget to write the comma. Count 3 digits, or think of the place value of ones, tens, hundreds, comma, and then for thousands. Now, for letter D. we have to add 4 plus 4. That's 8. 9 and 0 is 9. 1 and 3 equals 4. And then 7 plus 5 is 12. And then ones, tens, hundreds, comma. I hope that you were able to get every answer correct for this drill. Now if you are ready, let's continue with the last part of our lesson. This one is about column addition. This time we have to do with regrouping. Now for our example, we have 37,164 and then we have to add 9,427. Again, just like the step for no regrouping, you always need to add the right-hand column of digits. And if the sum is 10 or bigger than 10, then we have to carry that digit to the next column to the left. So for our first number, we have to start from the place value of ones. 4 plus 7 equals 11. Now since 11 is bigger than 10, we will write 1 and we will carry 1 on top of the next column. This number 1 will now be written on top of number 6. That digit that we were able to carry will be added to the next column. So, for the next step, we have to add the next column of digits moving left. And make sure to add the carry if there was one. So again, 4 plus 7, and 4 plus 7 is 11, because 11 is bigger than 10, 1, and carry 1 on top of number 6. And then add for tens place. 1 plus 6 plus 2 is 9. And in hundreds place, 1 plus 4 is 5. Then we have to add the next column of digits moving left. You should also not forget to write the comma. So again, 4 plus 7, 11, 1, carry 1 on top of 6. 1 plus 6 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 4 is 5. 7 plus 9 is 16. So 6, carry 1 on top of 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. And we should not forget to write the comma. Count 3 digits, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, and 10,000s place. Our final answer is 46,591. And always remember to write and add the numbers according to their place value. Now, if you do understand addition with regrouping, try to answer this drill. Add the following numbers. Think of the answer for letter A, for letter B, for letter C, and then for letter D. Remember to follow the steps that we were able to study. Now, if you are finished, we can now see the correct answers. So what could be the correct answer for letter A? For letter A, the correct answer is 27,933. 4 plus 9 is 13. 3, carry 1 on top of 2. 1 plus 2 plus 0 is 3. 8 plus 1 is 9. 1 plus 6 is 7. And then bring down 2. Also, don't forget to write your comma. Now, let's see the answer for letter B. The final answer is 90,682. 7 plus 5 is 12. 2, carry 1 on top of 3. 1, 3, and 4 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. 0, carry 1 on top of 6. 6 plus 1 plus 2 is 9. The answer for letter C is 97,448. 5 plus 3 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 4, carry 1. 1, 2, and 1 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 7 plus 2 is 9. Again, don't forget your comma. And for the last number, the answer for letter D is 81,475. So this is where we end the lesson. I hope that you do understand how to do column addition until 100,000. We will continue again next time. Stay safe and healthy with your whole family. Bye everyone!